Is it the right time to buy or sell SPY ETF? In this video, we'll be taking a deep dive into SPY. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, November 20th, 2023, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. Don't miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Starting from November 2, 2023, our system has identified SPY as a potential investment opportunity, giving it a score of 1.38. Now, let's delve into the stock's performance during this period. Over this time, the stock has shown a gain of 5.48%. This means that, on average, it has returned 0.42% per day since it was flagged as a buy candidate. Based on the current 3-month trend, there is a potential minus 2.41% change expected over the next 3 months. The projected return falls within the range of minus 12.37% to minus 2.41%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a forecasted 14.3% change over the next year. The expected return falls between 4.29% and 19.93%. This translates to a price range of $473.75 to $544.77 after 12 months. Our latest update on the SPY ETF brings exciting news. It has been upgraded to a buy candidate. On the last trading day, Monday, November 20th, 2023, the SPY ETF price showed a gain of 0.770%, rising from $450.79 to $454.26. This marks the 5th consecutive day of gains. It will be interesting to see if this positive trend continues or if there will be a minor break in the coming days. Throughout the trading day, the ETF experienced a fluctuation of 1.02%, starting from a low of $450.53 and reaching a high of $455.13. Over the past 10 days, the price has risen in 8 of them, resulting in a 4.27% increase over the past 2 weeks. The volume of shares traded decreased by minus 14 million shares on the last day, with a total of 67 million shares bought and sold, amounting to approximately $30.62 billion. It's worth considering that a decrease in volume accompanied by higher prices can indicate divergence and potentially signal changes in the next few days. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price reached by the ETF was $459.44, while the lowest price was $374.77. Currently, the price is 1.13%, equivalent to $5.18, below the 52-week high and 5.36%, equivalent to $25.72, below the all-time high on January 4, 2022, when it reached $479.98. Today, let's take a look at the signals for SPY. The chart shows mostly positive signals for the SPY ETF. Both short and long-term moving averages indicate a buy signal, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, the relation between these two signals confirms the buy signal, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. If the stock experiences any downward corrections, it is expected to find support at $447.75 and $431.52. However, if the stock breaks below these levels, it will issue sell signals. On Friday, October 27, 2023, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point, resulting in a 10.61% increase so far. This indicates a potential further rise until a new top pivot is found. Moreover, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, also provides a buy signal. It's worth noting that despite gaining prices, volume fell during the last trading day. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which could be an early warning sign. Therefore, it is important to closely monitor the ETF. In the long-term chart, the ETF had a golden star signal on Monday, March 27, 2023. A golden star signal occurs when the short-term moving average, the long-term moving average, and price line meet in a special combination. This rare combination is often followed by significant and sustained gains for the ETF in question. Here are some other signals that may catch your interest. Moving average convergence divergence, there was a buy signal. Pivots, there was a buy signal 17 days ago. Bollinger, a buy signal was observed 4 days ago. Short-term moving average, a buy signal occurred 16 days ago. Long-term moving average, a buy signal was seen 14 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 11 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we can observe the following. Short moving average, a buy signal was detected 14 days ago. The long-term moving average, a buy signal was identified 8 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 36 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us to discover more signals. Today, let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for the SPY ETF. When it comes to support, the ETF has some key levels to consider. Just below today's level, we have accumulated volume support at $429.54 and $426.43. It's important to note that when an ETF is testing a support level, there is a natural risk involved. If the support is broken, the ETF may fall to the next support level. In the case of SPY, the next support from accumulated volume would be at $426.43 and $412.55. Moving on to risk, this ETF has moderate movements during the day, making the risk level medium. It's worth mentioning that good trading volume adds to the stability. Looking at the past day, the ETF had a range of $4.60 between its high and low, representing a 1.02% movement. Over the last week, the average daily volatility was at 0.699%. In this video, we'll be discussing some potential day trading levels for SPY. When analyzing the accumulated volume, we can see that there's no significant resistance above. This suggests that if the right conditions are met, the stock could experience a swift upward movement. If you decide to enter a position, keep an eye on the volume as an indicator for when to exit. On the downside, SPY encounters its first support level at $429.54. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point for traders, as there is a potential for a rebound. Our recommended stop loss for this ETF is set at $436.86, which represents a decrease of 3.83%. This ETF exhibits medium daily movements, indicating a moderate level of risk. The RSI 14, which stands at 91, significantly increases the risk associated with this investment. We have identified a buy signal from a pivot bottom that occurred 16 days ago, further supporting a positive outlook for this ETF. Is SPY ETF a good investment? Despite the ETF being in a falling trend, there are several short-term signals that indicate a potential buying opportunity. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this ETF from hold/accumulate to a buy candidate. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems have determined that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, November 21st, we anticipate SPY to open down by 95 cents and start trading at $453.31. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. It's always a good idea to consult a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us is not a reliable source to base your investment choices on. By using the information provided, you acknowledge and assume full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. In this video, we'll be discussing our current view of the stock. We would love to hear your thoughts, so please comment below and share your opinions. What is your target for the ETF? Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. Our team wishes you successful trading and a wonderful day. Thank you for watching.